I bought 3 large foam boards just from the Dollar Tree. So you can see that is the mantle that I'm putting them on. So I'm actually gonna cut them out so the J and the Y are full size, and then the O might be a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna use those full things to cover up as much space as I can. Okay, so you're gonna need a bunch of bows. So I'm using these Holiday Time Beautiful Deluxe Gift Bows here. And then I'm gonna hang mine up with some command strips, but you can use what you want. Probably need a ruler, pencil, and then these, like I said, just foam boards. I got these at my Dollar Tree, the Ready board. Okay, so I'm gonna just outline the letters Joy on these boards, one on each board, so then I can attach the bows to them. Okay, so that's gonna be my J. Okay, and I'm gonna draw the Y. I'm just gonna find the center here on here. So these are 20. So I'm just gonna make a line just in the center so I know where I want the center of my Y. So I'm gonna make this about 5 inches from the ends. So this ended up being almost about 4.5 inches. And these are about 4. Okay, so there's my Y. So for the O, I think I'm gonna have it 4 inches. Again, mark these at the 4. Mark these at the 4. I'm gonna make the bottom 5 inches. So let's go up to there. And these don't need to be exact because the bows will stick out on the side. So okay, so that's something like my O. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut them out, and I'm just using like a utility knife. Like I said, since you're gonna have the bows on, and the bows are gonna stick over the side, so, and you can still cut some more off if you need to. So it's not an exact science here, just making this easy. Okay, so here comes the fun part, just attaching the bows. So you can make patterns, or you don't have to. I'm just gonna make them wherever I want them. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep putting them on until I'm all done. Okay, so there is my J all done. So now I'm gonna do my Y. So I'm actually gonna put the command strips on the back. I'm gonna take one side off and push it on the top. So now I'm just gonna hang them up on my mantle. Okay, so now that this is on the back, I'm gonna peel it off and then push it up onto my mantle. But you could also just lean it up against the thing. You can definitely do that too. So there you have it. Just an easy and quick project to make a really big decor sign.